In today's video, I will show you how you can add DNS records to your Spaceship domain. So this is very easy. Firstly, you want to open Launchpad, then Domain Manager. From here, you want to select your domain for which you want to add those DNS records. So I have only this one, so I'm going to click on it. And here you need to look for name servers and DNS. So click on it. Now click on Advanced DNS. Got it. And I already have web hosting, so it's going to show error, conflicting error when I add a new DNS record. And I will also show you how you can, let's say, disconnect the domain from this web hosting if you have it. So to add a new DNS record, you want to click on this add record. And from here, you want to select the type of the record. So you have, let's say, A or CNAME, the most used ones, or TXT record. So I will select firstly a record. So I am connecting my domain to Shopify. So I will open Shopify, and I already added the domain in Shopify, and I need to update my records to those values. So the type is A, name is this symbol, and this is the value. So I'm gonna type the symbol, then the value, and click on add. And as you can see, I'm getting this conflicting error because I already have a record. So I'm gonna click on add new record. And this is basically how you can add DNS record in Spaceship. And I will also show you how you can fix this conflicting. So let's say I don't want this web hosting. So I'm gonna go back, Launchpad, Hosting Manager. And I will disconnect the domain from this hosting. So I have this domain connected to it, and disconnect the domain. Make sure to make backup and then click on remove connection. And now we should be able to add our custom DNS records. So it may take a while. Okay, now domain's connected, so we can go back. And I'm gonna go back in DNS settings. So name servers, DNS, advanced DNS. And now we should be able to add these records. So I'm gonna add it again. Okay, it's working. So it's already here on the custom records, and we just need to add the second one from Shopify. So the second one is CNAME. Name is www. So I'm gonna click on add new record, CNAME. Type name or host is www, and then paste the value, add. And as you can see, now I didn't receive any conflicting error because this is my only CNAME record I have. So now we just need to wait for the propagation. So you will see this green check mark next to this icon. So as you can see, it's showing in propagation. And then after that, it will be connected. And this is basically how you can add your DNS records. If you want to remove them, you just want to click on this trash icon. Yes, delete record. So that's pretty much it. This is how you can add DNS records on Spaceship. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.